Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al-Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 37a, Surah Asr, verses 1 and 2. By the end of this lesson, we will learn 169 words which occur almost 35,490 times in the Quran. This small surah, Al-Asr, provides mankind with a formula to avoid loss. The solution is to do two things for oneself, faith and good actions, and two things for the society, advise each other to truth and perseverance. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم والعصر, by the time. Actually, wa has two meanings. Wa means and by of oath. والعصر, by the time. Allah has taken an oath here by the time. It means that the time is a witness to what is being said after this oath. Innal insana lafi khusr. Indeed, mankind is surely in loss. Inna means indeed. The best example is Inna Allaha ma'as sabirin. Indeed, Allah is with those who are patient. By the way, the meaning of in is if. Insha'Allah, if Allah wills. Innal insan, indeed mankind. Insan means man. Al insan, the man, mankind. Lafi, la, surely. Fi, in. Lafi, surely in. Khusr, loss. Indeed, mankind is surely in loss. In this ayah, we find that in order to show the importance of subject, Allah began with three distinct forms of emphasis. He took an oath, He used inna, indeed, and then He used la, like surely, la fi khusr. There is a fourth emphasis in the form of illa in the start of next verse. Illa alladhina amanu, and so on. In a class of 100 students, if 95 fail in the exam, will we say all have passed except 95? No, we say all have failed except 5. Therefore, when Allah says indeed the mankind is in loss except, it means the majority of mankind is in loss. And when He takes the oaths of the time, it means the history, the true history, as shown in the Quran, shows us that those people who rejected the guidance of prophets, they were in loss in this world and in the hereafter. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.